Officials in Somalia say about 200,000 people have been displaced due to flash flooding after the Shabelle River burst its banks and submerged roads. The United Nations says it's a perfect storm of overlapping crises for the country. The rain should help with the country's drought, though it has been one of the worst in 40 years. Now, for the past few months, we've been telling you about the above-average temperatures and drought in Spain, which have been causing havoc for its agriculture industry and also forcing changes to working practices. But this is La Raya in northern Spain, which saw a freak May snowstorm. The mountainous area of Asturias saw the unexpected covering of snow, and other areas in Spain were also affected by storms, which saw Catalonia and Valencia battered by hailstones and torrential downpours after months without a drop of rain.